In the over 50 years that Terry Naskin has lived in her home, she hasn't experienced anything like this.
Gee, look at all the mess. I hate it.
A large pit takes up almost her entire front yard, and water pipes are scattered in pieces next to it. After her water and sewage pipes froze in January, workers dug them up to fix, but soon realized the ground was too frozen and couldn't complete the work until the ground thaws. Naskin has been hauling water into her home for cooking and cleaning and using honey buckets ever since. She doesn't mind hauling water, but sees the pit as a safety hazard.
I think some of these things that our community people need to review and say an emergency is emergency, and can't wait like me in January. And I'm afraid, you know, uh, it's not safe for the safety wise too. I have a question because they could have put a plastic net around there because it's almost half the road there. And there's donks all over there. I'm afraid somebody might fall in there or dog fall in there.
When it comes to frozen pipes, Naskin isn't alone. The community's chief says this year has been one of the worst. She attributes it to the winter's long cold snap and the aging pipes, which haven't been replaced in over 50 years.
We're dealing with an old system, and things get corroded, and with climate change and things get shifted, and with the cold snaps we've been having, it's been really difficult to unthaw.
Rebecca Edzo says she's advocating from the territorial and federal government to replace the community's pipes, but she hasn't secured anything yet. As for Naskin, she'll have to wait until at least June for work to even begin on her broken pipes. Tamara Merritt, CBC News, Yellowknife.